Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how to work the leaf stitch. If you want to make the swatch and follow along, here are the instructions. So I have my 8 rows. I'm going to chain 1 and I'm just going to leave that hang. All right. Pick up my second color. Insert my hook. You notice I'm at the opposite end here. Insert my hook. Pull up a loop. Chain 1. Insert the hook again and make a single crochet into the same stitch. Single crochet into the next 2 stitches. All right, we are now prepared to work the leaf stitch. The piece might be a little curly on you. Just try and crumple it in your hand or find a way to comfortably hold it. Right. Chain 1. We do not yarn over. We insert the hook 2 rows below. So this is the stitch we would be working into next. We want to go 2 rows below. So not this one and not this one, because this would be the normal one. So this is 1 row below the current row, and this is 2 rows below. Yarn over, pull up a loop. This time we yarn over. Because if we don't yarn over, it's going to get all sloppy. This time we're going 4 rows below. Remember, when you count single crochets, this is 2, this is 4, and this is 6. So we just go into this next column here, but into the next valley. Yarn over, pull up a loop. I keep things fairly loose. This swatch is going to look sloppier than the final piece that, like in the tote, in the Falling Leaves Tote, because we're only using 1 strand and this hook's kind of large. So just keep that in mind. This is so you can get a feel for how the stitch should flow, not exactly what it's going to look like. Okay, so the next one I've yarned over. We're going to go 6 rows down. Yarn over, pull up a loop. It's easier when you're on a larger piece. Okay, yarn over. This time we're only going 4. If you're not sure where you're supposed to go for your next one, just look for your rows here. So we were here, so then we need to go in this one. So we were here, we need to go in this one, and that'll be our last one. All right, so I have all these loops on my hook. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through all of them. I'm going to chain 2. Usually for me, this one sticks out a little bit. I've tried all kinds of stuff to get it to behave. I've tried making this one smaller. I've tried making this one smaller. I've tried to make this one smaller. You can't go without it because, like I said, it gets sloppy. I tried that too. It is what it is, and it's just going to have to be that way. This is what the back looks like in case you're curious. The back does look nice up here, but it doesn't look as nice here and especially right here. So that wasn't a choice either. Mostly I've just learned to live with it. It's just to where the way that loop falls. So I've chained 2. Now we are to skip 5 single crochets, the 5 that are back here. Well, I can't see them. So how do I know which ones to skip? Well, we worked in this column, right? Which would mean this stitch here. So we are going to skip that stitch and single crochet into the next. That's why we chain 2 there, 1 to close it and 1 to get to that next point. Let's single crochet 2 more times, and we're going to repeat the leaf stitch. This time I'm just going to do it. I'm not going to do it quickly, but I'm not going to talk through it. And that's how you work the leaf stitch.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have more questions, you can always email me, Sarah@azariasfiberarts.com, or drop a comment below. Happy making!